welcome to Living Up Akunle. If it's your first time joining us, thank you, and we hope that you guys enjoy this video and you can subscribe to our channel because it is filled with good content, y'all. And if you're returning back, thanks for your loyalty. Welcome back, fam. You are so mostly welcome. If you haven't subscribed and this is not your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You know it's lit, okay? So today I am going to be doing an eyelash tutorial. So I'm trying to record 3 different videos in one day. So if you see this look several times, that's because I recorded all the videos the same day, okay? It's called multitasking. How y'all feeling this week? If you're watching this and you haven't watched my boss mom, super mom, super wife challenge video, go ahead and watch it, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move on into our makeup look. Lashes, these are my main items that I use. I don't use the fancy Kiss expensive eyelash glue. This is literally $4, and sometimes I use regular hair glue that is like $2. I just decided to buy this, so I use just the eyelash glue from the beauty supply store. I get my tweezer, my falsies mascara. This is literally the only mascara I've ever used in my eyes since I started doing makeup, which was senior year of high school. I love my falsies, Maybelline. Get my compact mirror and my eyelash holder. So what I do first after applying my eyeliner is that I grab my eyelashes. So I always start with my right eye first. So I grab my eyelashes with the holder. I open up my glue because it's harder trying to squeeze it out versus just picking into it. You always want to make sure that your tweezer inside is very clean. There is no glue attached to it because that could definitely mess up your eyelash, applying your eyelash. So I hold my mirror like this. I grab my eyelash, scoop. Using the tweezer, back of a tweezer, the end of the tweezer, I scoop a little bit of the glue and I apply it on. And then I always clean the end of it with like a paper towel or tissue or anything around. So while that is getting, I guess, ready, I go ahead and I use my mascara and apply my mascara. You can see I'm still holding my mirror. So you look down to the mirror and I apply my mascara. It's definitely easier for me looking down. So when I apply it, I'm looking down. It's easier when you look down, directly down with a little compact mirror when I line it up. I try so hard not to blink. And then I clip the ends. I always go first for the inside because that's the harder one to attach to the eyes for me because I start tearing up fast. And then the end. And the reason why I like this is that now I go inside. Now I use this to go in the middle. And that is just squeezing the false lashes with my real lashes together. And I use the end of this to just make sure my lashes is very well attached to it. And then you can also use this to check the back of it as well. Okay. Oh, I almost cried, y'all. Let me show you a closer look. Like, you see how you can't see my bottom lashes. Like, if my lashes, if I can see the separation, like if it doesn't look like it's coming directly from my eyelashes, yo, I just always snap the lashes out. Like, I'm like, it's looking too not real. Then let me close my eyes. I'll show you guys a picture. So let me go ahead and explain why I do what I do. So first, I apply mascara to my lashes because it makes it easier to apply the false lashes, in the sense of I'm combing / brushing out my natural lashes and extending the length and taking out and making sure that there is not a curved one. You know, sometimes your lashes just curves up and it's hard to apply your lashes in that way, but when you use a mascara, it helps stretch it out a little bit, making it easier to apply your false lashes. And I use the big eyelash holder, I call it, first, because it helps just apply it. It makes it easier to apply it right in the middle and then use the tweezer on each end, because it's already somewhat attached in the middle, except, you know, when I just made this mistake, and which then again, as you can see, I went back and just redid what I did, you know, redo it by placing it back on. As long as the glue is not dry, your lash should still be able to apply perfectly well. And just use the tweezer on each end, just to tighten it on each end, so that your lashes are not looking like they're about to fall off even though you just put them on. Because y'all, I've seen some girls with lashes, I'm like, are you about to take it off or what? But that's how I do it, and definitely makes it a lot easier for me. You know, just like everything else, you're gonna have to try this a few times before you can perfectly get it. This tutorial is just showing you how I easily apply my lashes. Like, it took practice for me to be able to apply my lashes in both of them in less than 3 minutes. Like, it took a lot of practice, but practice makes perfect. So just keep doing it, use this technique, and honey, I promise you, you'll be cool, you gonna get it, you'll be a pro. All right guys, well, that concludes the video. I hope you guys found this video to be very helpful. If you have any question or concerns, please feel free to comment down below. I will respond to you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up, share this with some sisters that you know will benefit from it, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I will see you in my next video.